Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to discuss the theme and some important questions of the chapter Rat Trap. The theme can be interpreted in three main points. First is material benefits attract people, and people tend to fall in the rat trap. As we saw, the peddler also was attracted towards those 30 corner notes and he fell in the rat trap. Similarly, everyone, they have a tendency to fall in the rat trap. Second is when they get trapped, you can correlate it with the peddler itself. When they get trapped, they want to escape like the peddler himself wanted to come out of the prison. Third main point is there are some great people who help them to come out of the rat trap. Here this also means that there is something in a human being. If that is touched, they can come out of the rat trap. Similarly, as Adla changed the peddler, same thing can be done by others also. Some of the questions we can see. What were the professions of peddler? What were the peddler's thinking about the world? Where from did he get this idea? Why this idea amused him? How did Crofter treat the peddler and why? Why did he show 30 kroner notes to him? How was peddler generally treated by people? Why peddler's arrival to iron mill was not noticed by anyone? What was Ironsmith's reaction when he saw the peddler? Why did he react in that manner? What were the contents of the letter written to Adla by peddler? Why Adla pleaded not to send the vagabond away? These are all small questions, 2-mark questions. There are some 6-mark questions also. Like the theme as already discussed, then character sketch of Adla, peddler and ironmaster. Which way did peddler go after stealing 30 kroner notes? Why? What happened to him thereafter? Why peddler declined in the invitation of ironmaster but accepted that of Adla? Some value-based effect of generosity and kindness, polite nature and soft-spoken attitude and their effect. Apart in the book, all these questions that are there, like these questions, these are small questions. All these questions, these are long questions and they are generally asked in the board exams also. Like, how did the peddler interpret the acts of kindness? That of Crofter, like he stole those 30 kroner notes of the ironmaster and then the daughter. What were the instances that show the character of ironmaster is different? Means before they knew the identity of the peddler, that was different. Initially, he asked for him to be invited, but later on he asked him to go. But Adla initially thought that he is a thief or running away from police. Later on, she intervened and she pleaded that let him be here. So the character changes. The story has many unexpected reactions, like the way Crofter reacted, way Adla reacted, the way the ironsmith reacted, the way the ironmaster reacted. All these are long questions. All. What made the peddler finally change? How did the metaphor of the rat trap serve to highlight the human predicament? The peddler comes out as a person with subtle sense of humor. Humorous instances are also there in the poem, like when the ironmaster was telling that I will call the sheriff. At that time, he started to give his philosophy of the world being a rat trap. These questions you can also do. The reader's sympathy is definitely with the peddler because he was involved in 3 professions. Human loneliness. The crofter reacted in that fashion because he was alone. Edla, because she was alone, that's why she called him in as a guest. Then Ironmaster was also alone. These third and fourth questions you can do of your own. Thank you for now.